In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to fix the issue of Bluetooth not showing up in Device Manager on Windows 11. First, search for Device Manager, launch it. Now at the top, you're going to find the Fin section, click on Action, then select Scan for hardware changes. This may help your Bluetooth appear in the list if it was not showing before. If that does not work, try running Troubleshooter. For that, search for Troubleshooting Settings, launch it. Now scroll down until you see Bluetooth, then click on Run. This will open a help page where you can follow the prompts. Windows will guide you through some steps, including checking for updates and other fixes. If the problem still is not fixed, the next step is to shut down your PC completely. Click on the Start button at the bottom, select the Power button and choose Shut Down. Let your PC turn off for about 5 to 10 seconds before turning it back on. This can often resolve glitches and get Bluetooth working again. Another solution is to download the latest Bluetooth drivers. For that, launch your preferred browser, search for Bluetooth Intel drivers. Make sure you go to the official Intel website. Once there, select your version of Windows and download the latest Bluetooth driver. After the driver finishes downloading, open the Downloads folder, find the driver and double-click on it to start the installation. Follow the simple steps to install the driver. Once the installation is complete, restart your PC and your Bluetooth should appear in Device Manager. If one of these methods helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.